Hello guys, do you know the Sephora kids at Sephora ruining their Sephora stuff? Well, I know that, but once I have been obsessed with sticker box, and I was a sticker box kid, and I always loved sticker box, watching it and getting it. But for finally, as getting it, I wasted so much sticker box that my mom said I'll never buy you another one, but I promised her I'll never ruin it again. But my dad bought it, and my mom said, "Okay, I promise you will never ruin it again." And I said, "I promise." So yeah, that's the sticker box kid.